Good evening. I'm Ellen Jones. Won't you come in? What lovely flowers. Thank you. I'll call Michael. Please, make yourself at home.
Hello, I'm so glad to meet you. Stephanie told me so much about you. Did you know you were her favorite?
No. I'm sorry I didn't get to see her again before she died.
So, what brings you to Chicago?
Aunt Stephanie wanted me to know more about the city. Did she live around here?
Yes. We became friends almost 20 years ago. She had moved here from Washington.
She left Chicago a few years later and moved to the West Coast.
Chicago winters were too harsh for her. She wanted more sun and warmer temperatures.
Dinner is ready.